Well, we made it to the daddy-daughter date car show. We are about half an hour early, and there's got to be already 100 cars here. So we're at a local car show in Rochester at the Eagles Club. Every Wednesday night during the summer they have this car show, and tonight it's happening. This car has a trailer on it. Would you ride that Doodlebug?
Yeah. Didn't you road? Yes.
Hey, I found your little tow truck here. Want to check it out?
Cool.
Got the hook on the back.
It's like Mater from Cars.
Mater?
Yeah, from Cars.
It's the owl tree.
Ow!
Ow! Don't pull on its eye. What do you think about the Thunderbird? Their camouflage lady.
I like it. It's a pretty color.
Little pretty window in there, and the hard top. This car's made out of wood.
I made out of wood.
The Woody Club. Is it a car or a truck? This one's definitely a truck. Square body caravan. It's like Grandpa's old shop courtesy van. Here we go, jacked up truck.
Oh my gosh.
Gotta stand next to it, see how big it is. Oh yeah, that's a big truck.
It's bigger than
Yeah, Big Jimmy.
His cousin.
We just got done eating some dinner. They got burgers and brats here and beers. So we finished that up. Now we're gonna play a little game that I play with my kids every time we go to the car show is pick out your favorite car, and then you get your picture in front of it. How about that one? Green Hemi. You want the Hemi? It's your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your picture. Favorite car? Well, we left the car show. Now we got to end this daddy-daughter date the proper way with a burnout, a one-wheel peel. But, you know, it's a burnout, so it counts. Plus, the car is cooler than the burnouts. That counts too.